PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning provides expert HVAC tune-up services in Reading, PA, helping homeowners maintain peak system performance and energy efficiency year-round. Our skilled technicians perform thorough inspections, cleanings, and adjustments to extend equipment lifespan and ensure reliable indoor comfort. If you have any questions, please contact our HVAC tune-up service. Are you looking for a HVAC tune-up near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning. What is an HVAC tune-up? An HVAC tune-up is a preventive maintenance service that includes inspecting, cleaning, and adjusting your heating and cooling system to ensure it runs efficiently and safely. Do I need a tune-up if my system is working fine? Yes, even if your system seems fine, a tune-up can catch minor issues early before they turn into costly repairs. What is your service area for the Reading, Pennsylvania service office? Our HVAC tune-up have served Reading, Leesport, Garfield, Burnville, North Heidelberg, Brownsville, Robisonia, Wernersville, Mountain, Temple, Laureldale, Penside, Rifton, Shillington, Baumstown, Birdsboro, Scarlett's Mill, Plowville, Reinholds, Swartzville, Pennsylvania. Where is your Reading, Pennsylvania HVAC tune-up office located? We are located at 400 Washington Street No. 109, Reading, Pennsylvania 19601. Our phone number is 610-672-3044. Visit our website, www.pjmachvac.com/air-duct-cleaning-service-reading.